What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 4a 128 gigabyte unlocked, just black. I picked up at Best Buy for $349.99. Out of 5 stars, the Google Pixel 4a gets 4.7 out of 5 out of 330 customer reviews. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions to find out if this Google Pixel 4a is best in class for 2020. Every year I give a smartphone award I call the best buy of that given year. For 2019, I awarded the best buy of 2019 to the Google Pixel 3a. This year for 2020, I awarded the best buy of 2020 to the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G for having amazing specifications. But this year I wanted to include an additional class, which I will now call best in class. We're going to be comparing it to the Apple iPhone SE 2020, which is also in the same class. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and first impressions. So as you can see, yes, the Google Pixel 4a was an open box item I picked up at Best Buy. It was $307. It came out to about $340. But the reason why I opened up this video saying I bought it for $349.99 is due to the fact that the availability of open box Pixel 4a's is just hard to come by. I'm actually very fortunate and very lucky that I was able to get this Pixel 4a for as little as I did. But like I said, it should come with all of the accessories in the box. It does come with the 18-watt charger, which should be a fast charger, and just like on Best Buy's website, it should be in pretty excellent condition, which it does look to be. So we get the phone on top. As you probably noticed, it did not have a screen protector on it. Someone else who bought the phone already removed it. But we do get the SIM ejector tool pretty much intact. Everything in this little sleeve here is still together nicely. It looks like they didn't touch this. Maybe the person that bought this before me also did an unboxing and first impressions of it and just didn't touch it, but you just get some user guides here, which is really nice. Also in the box, very nice and organized, is the 18-watt fast charger here. I'm believing it is an 18-watt fast charger. Well, it says it's an 18-watt charger, but usually 18-watt does signify fast charging. And when I had the Pixel 3a last year, it did charge very fast, also with a 18-watt charger. No different from last year is the USB Type-C cable. I actually still have the USB Type-C cable from my Pixel 3a, so that's really cool. And then last but not least, you do get a adapter here. So I believe you plug this into the bottom of your older phone and then plug the USB Type-C and into the Pixel 4a, and you can transfer what data you are able to transfer. Yeah, I am going to pretty much just back it up from the last time that I used a Google product. What's really nice is you can see that it has a full body display here with a hole punch in the upper left-hand corner. You get this beautiful, bright and colorful OLED display. I believe it's 443 pixels per inch. I believe the battery on the inside of this phone is a 3000 milliamp hour battery. It does have that Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G. This phone, not IP rated in any way. It is just a plastic polycarbonate back, just like the Pixel 3a was. And then what's nice is you actually get a pretty stealthy looking fingerprint scanner on the back here. And with modern design, you get this sort of square camera cutout here. It is raised off the back of the phone ever so slightly. I think you can see it there. Also, what you'll notice is you get this sort of lime mint green. It's pretty light in color. It's almost an off-white mint power lock button, which is pretty cool looking against this just black finish on it. It's like a matte finish, by the way, and feels really nice to the touch. The finish on the Pixel 3a last year was sort of a glossy finish with a mix of a matte finish. This year it's an all matte finish. Get the Google logo at the bottom there. There is a single flash. And like I said, this is a 12.2 megapixel rear-facing camera with, of course, Google's latest and greatest camera software technology built in. It does look very modern, very sleek. It's a very thin phone, very nicely weighted. Actually, the Pixel 3a from last year felt a little bit chintzy, a little bit lightweight, but this phone feels much more solid and much more refined, I will say that. Just this phone looks absolutely phenomenal. One thing that I wanted to point out was there is a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. Probably the reason why this phone isn't water resistant. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up and I'll give you a quick tour of it. Okay, so one thing that I really like about this new Pixel 4a are the gestures. The gestures are absolutely phenomenal. You just sort of swipe up from the home screen there to get to all your applications. Like I said, that stock Android experience. I've had a XS Max. I've had basically all of the modern day iPhones, and these gestures work just as well, if not better, than what you get on the iPhone, which I am so happy to see, but it is nowhere near as premium or as robust feeling as the iPhone SE 2020, which is built out of aluminum and glass. You do get wireless charging here. Not sure that you get wireless charging with the Pixel 4a. You do get water resistance here. You don't get it with the Pixel 4a. 64 gigabytes of storage here on the iPhone SE 2020. 128 gigabytes of storage with the Google Pixel 4a. And I believe you get unlimited photo storage with Google Photos. Also, I think you can get a 5G variant 4a. That's coming out pretty soon. That will probably be $400. So, you know, for the cost of an iPhone SE 2020, you can probably get a 5G variant 4a. Anyways, guys, my name is John. If you want to see a photo comparison between these two guys to find out if the Pixel 4a really is best in class for 2020 in the $349, $400 price category, let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, my name is John. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions of the Pixel 4a. I'm super happy to finally have it. Like I said, I was able to get it open box. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to get this open box. They're pretty hard to come by as it is. I was willing to pay $349 for this phone, by the way, but I could not pass up this phone for $307. Came out to $340. It's in excellent condition, by the way. Came with all the accessories in the box you saw from the unboxing and the first impressions. This phone looks phenomenal. I cannot wait to use it for a prolonged period of time. Anyways, guys, my name is John. The Pixel 4a is best in class in the $349 to $400 price range for 2020. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.